Hey guys, I had some time tonight, so I decided I'm gonna do one more review before the week starts and I don't have any more time. This time I'm gonna do a review on the Emsisoft Anti-malware version 7. I got a trial off of the internet, download it, update it. You can see this is version 7.00.10. And it's got 11 million signatures. I just updated it 2 minutes ago, and everything else is left on stock. You can see that the interface looks pretty much the same as the old one. They changed a couple of things here and there, but they really haven't changed much. You still have scan PC, quarantine, logs, application rules. You can go behavior blocker. This is what it watches for. Alert settings, file guard, surf protection, host rules, and then you can go into configuration and configure things like permissions, logging, notifications, all the usual stuff, updates, scheduled scans. So first off, let's start out with the usual memory usage. The one thing I did notice about this program, which is kind of like it uses a ton of RAM, and you can see right now it's using 220 some megs of RAM, and you'll see this drop to maybe 2, 3, but the second you do anything, it comes right back. So right now you see it's dropped to 1.6 because the computer is just sitting idle, but if I open up Internet Explorer, watch, it comes right back. And I really notice a lag on the system. So they still haven't sped it up. The old version seemed actually a little bit faster to me than this version. So you can see now all I did is open up Internet Explorer, a safe file, and you saw that the service is taking tons of CPU. It took up like 20-30% and took a bunch of RAM too. So you can see that it's still pretty heavy in the memory. Let's move on and do our test. I got some links here, and then I also have some virus files. So let's see how that's doing. These links are from today. Some of these are exploits. They might be dead, I'm not sure. Java exploits, things like that. I just got them like a couple hours ago, so okay, that one didn't work for some reason. I didn't see an alert or anything. Okay, see, that one's also not working. They're either not working or they're being blocked silently, because the internet's working. Okay, this one got blocked. Trojan, redirector, JavaScript. You can see .js. And blocked and quarantined. Okay, nothing on that one. No alert. Looks like there was a JavaScript that was trying to start. Because I saw a .js in there, but no alert on that one. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, so those didn't work out too well. A lot of them are dead or they're being blocked, and I can't download some of the things. That's okay. I have 545 viruses here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to temporarily disable the file guard. I don't know, did it do it? I guess it did it. And I'm going to unpack it. Ah, dang it. I guess that it does not disable Windows Defender. Alright, there we go. 546. 545. Still really slow. There we go. So 545 files. I'm going to right click and scan. And then I'm going to let this scan, so I'll be right back. Alright, so it finished scanning, and it says it found 535. So we will make sure that they're all selected, and I'll just delete them. Emsisoft has always been well known for its high detection ratio. So 545. Oop. 5. So 97.9%. These are about 3 to 4 days old, so not too old. Now let's re-enable the security here. See, it's all enabled. Okay, let's see what happens with the rest of these. Okay, that one got caught. This is now it's checking on the network to verify the program. And it looks like the behavior blocker caught that one. We can quarantine. Oops. Ah man, I gotta get the 64-bit version. Yes, I test in 64-bit Windows now, because almost every Windows PC that you buy is now 64-bit. Okay, so this one also got caught. This is a warning, and tries to modify an auto-run entry. So you can block and quarantine. This one might be a false positive on my end. We'll double check it. Okay, this one does not work on 64-bit Windows. Let me pause here and grab Cleaning Essentials 64-bit. Be right back. Alright, so I got the 64-bit version. Let's see. And that one runs and does something and then closes. Okay. Oh, what happened there? Display driver stopped responding and has recovered. Well, that one looks like it might have been a bypass, because something affected the system. Okay, and this one is a bypass too. It's opening up files. It opened up Internet Explorer, and it might have done something. Not sure yet. We'll see. This is just a unlocker for phone. That one doesn't work. So this one is detected. Now it's being checked in the network. And you can see it's trying to modify an outer run key. So we'll block it and quarantine. Okay, that one doesn't look like it wants to work. Alright, so let's check these last couple things on VirusTotal, and let's just check out to see if they really are malware and what kind. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I uploaded all 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the internet. This is the first one. This is 11 out of 44. This one is being classified as either corrupt or behaves like a corrupt or a Trojan. One of these says it's a dropper Win32 online game hack, suspicious. So that one was definitely a bypass. Then you have the second one, which is Eldorado riskware. So this is this one here that did something, and then high risk cloaked malware, and that one looked like a bypass. This is the next one. This one is this is a suspect. This is only detected by, well, 2 days ago it was only detected by one piece of 279 here. One antivirus. So I can upload this one again, so we can double check it with today's signatures. We'll reanalyze. And this one was for Trojan clicker, Trojan agent. This one might be a false positive, it might not be. This one was 1 hour ago, so very fresh. Not a lot of people have detected this, but it says it's two people say it's bad. Behavior information, open files. Registration opens up Internet Explorer. Red stole stdole2 explore. These are files. Registry activity. Move on. This is a BlackBerry MEP reader. This is only detected by Semantic as a reputation 10 hours ago. So that one might not be anything. And then the last one, which is this check here. This is adware fake AV, but you see it didn't work, so it might not work on Windows 64-bit, but this was a fake antivirus because it would just start and not do anything. So this one is still only detected by Avast. I really doubt Avast got this as a false positive, so we'll see what happens with the rest of them. Now let's delete this folder and delete this. We'll empty out the recycle bin. We'll open up A squared. We'll do a scan. We'll do a smart scan. And then this is going to take a while, so I will pause and I'll be right back. Alright, so Emsisoft Anti-malware finished scanning and it did not find anything. So we will go back to the security status. We'll turn off the file guard and the behavior blocker because I want to be able to do scans with everything else quickly. So let's run CCleaner. And we'll make sure to get rid of any temporary files. And then I'm going to run a scan with Malwarebytes. and let's see what this finds. So I'll update it and I'll be right back. Alright, so the scan for Malwarebytes finished, and it looks like there's a file, a Trojan file, sitting in app data roaming, Microsoft. So this is an actual file that it did not identify. So we're going to remove this, and we're not going to restart now. And next we're going to do a scan with cleaning essentials from Komodo, and I'll be right back with the results. Alright, so Komodo Cleaning Essentials finished scanning, and it didn't find anything, and I'm not going to reboot. And last but not least, let's run a scan with Hitman Pro, and then we'll find out if that finds anything. Alright, and Hitman Pro didn't find anything either. So, Emsisoft did really well. The only thing that I wish they would improve on is their resource and memory usage, because I do notice a significant slowdown on the computer, and as you saw, whenever you do anything, the RAM usage spikes up. So if they would just improve its speed, it definitely still has the security like it used to. So there you go. It did pretty well. So hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll talk to everybody later.